Are you recording?
Uh-huh. Jerk. She likes helium.
No, I don't. It's not an addiction.
Oh, yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
I promise you I won't pass out.
Oh.
Doggy, do you want some?
I'm sure she does.
Yeah, dude, I wonder what a dog's bark would sound like if you gave him helium.
I'm serious.
Yeah.
I can't believe it actually lasted that long.
That licked me.
Zach.
Hey, baby.
Wow, really? Because it's raining cats right now.
I was being sarcastic.
Oh.
Oh my god! Would you like some?
You me.
Oh, damn it.
No! I have another one. There's still some in that one, too.
It's not floating.
Crap.
So the helium won't work.
Yeah.
It only works when it floats.
Boo!
If the balloon is still floating, it'll still work.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but if it's not floating, it won't work.
You have to stand in that.
Wait, no, I gotta jump.
Going off the computer. Don't steal the balloon. No! Jack!
Why? You can ever that.
Give me some. Where do you have your hole?
Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, my goodness.
Oh my god. Listen.
Ah,
It's Brittany and Allie.
What do you say?
Like 1 cat dog and 2 cat dog and 3 cat dog. Don't steal the helium.
Why not? I like it.
Ah.
It wasn't me.
Hold right there.
Yeah, baby, I'm sleeping.
What?
I'm Britney Spears, but I like to show my vagina to the world. Cause I'm Britney and I like it that way, bitch.
Yeah.